Hello all. Today I installed Linux Lite, as you can see from the desktop wallpaper, and so far it's really retro, but also modern as well. As you can see, I have Conky, and it passed the test. And what I mean by that is Ubuntu, for some reason, will not show all the little fonts properly. This does. And right now, because I'm recording this stuff, it's megabytes. It's up there in RAM, but on startup it's around 500 or so, maybe less. Depends what you have, though. And I replaced the default menu with what's called Whisker, and you can bind the Win key, the super key, whatever you want to call it, to toggle it back and forth. And it has a search function, of course, so like Chromium web browser, and it was calculator, and so on. And what I enjoy about this is when you want to install updates, it brings up a command window, and it's LXDE terminal, LX terminal. You type in your password, it'll refresh your mirror list, and when it's finished doing that, it'll check for updates. It'll download a list in a zip format, and system's up to date, and the window will automatically close, as it just did there. I replaced I still have Thunar installed. This is based on XFCE, but I still have Thunar installed for the file manager. But I installed Nautilus because it's 3.4, and it has the great functions of the split screen, and you can have the taskbar at the bottom, and the way it used to be, basically. I haven't taken too many pictures. I'm not sure if I can leave it like that. Yeah, I can. So it'll maintain the each directory's settings. And of course I have Compiz, and I'll turn that on. Screen flashes a bit. There we go. And now we get some effects. The wobbly windows and the transparent opacity setting with the mouse wheel. Of course, I put on the cube just for fun. And the window decorator, I use Emerald. Let's hope that doesn't crash everything. There we go. And this one theme has a nice glass effect. You'll probably see it better if I change the desktop background. Where's that gamer one? There we go. And zoom, of course. And X-Wing wrap. GUI. And a little tray at the bottom. And you can use Screensaver. So, oh, sorry, I didn't say the settings. So you use Screensaver, and where was that neat one? Nope, it's not what I want. Fireworks. There it is. Open. There we go. A little heavy on the resources there, and it probably look better if I go back to a darker background. But as you can see from the video, it's very responsive. There's one there. Or the other one. And, sorry, I'm just kind of showing off the desktop. And you terminate. You can use a video as well. Say spiral flow. And you can set the transparency level, but you still have access to your documents or whatever you're using, you know, your browser. And there's the Compiz effects, and the snapping, and Firefox, and as I said, Chromium. Oops, wrong button. Now this is based on Ubuntu 12.04. And as I mentioned, it's XFCE. But what it's like is it's like a retro sort of going back to things that were kind of neat in Ubuntu, say Ubuntu 10.10, similar. With the fact that it is Ubuntu based and it's XFCE. I know you can download Xubuntu, but I thought it was different. It's its own. It's definitely its own beast, its own animal, and startup times are pretty good. Let's see. I love this search function. Pan control, enable, taskbar, and AMD overdrive. I'm using proprietary drivers, of course. And this will kick in when it's getting too warm, so you see the temperature here is dropping. Lots to say. Like, I know there's other videos on YouTube on this, but it's really worth looking into if you sort of like the Ubuntu 10.10 or 10.04 around that time. This will bring back a lot of stuff that you had, or you may have liked if you used that back then. And the default menu, I should go to the home page, and we'll take a look. Linux Lite OS. I don't know why it locked me out of there. Oops. There we go. And yeah, so it's linuxliteos.com, and you can download two flavors, 32-bit, 64-bit. Released 31st of July 2013. You can download it from SourceForge, or you can download it from using torrent, either one. It shows you the changelog of that release point. And older versions, it looks like. Yeah. So, as of now, it's Linux Lite 1.06. And it comes with lots of applications. You probably saw them as I was going multimedia. Okay, I added VLC and simple screen recorder. Office, I just got it. It's still in there, but I don't use it, so. Mumble voice chat, that's excellent. X chat. It came with Firefox. I had to install Chromium. Graphics, it had GIMP, and that loads very quickly. And About is the latest version, 2.8.6, and it came when I fired it up. It came launched in single window mode. Nice effects on the screens here. So overall, very nice, very nice. I think WinKey H will launch Thunar, which is version 1.2.3, and this is a nice file manager as well. So it's always good to have 2 or 3. Or 4, whatever. The only thing I'd want to replace is this at the bottom, because it will mute your audio, and then you go to properties, there isn't much here. So right now I've been using Pulse Audio volume control, as you can see here. So yeah, just a quick look, and up here I made a little session menu. to log out, restart, hibernate, shut down, etc. I installed System Monitor. It's the older one too, because now we have System Properties. And yeah, it's getting up there because I'm recording. And one thing, it is a little heavy on the hard drive side. I have uninstalled quite a few things, so it's gone down a bit, but it was up close to 5 gigs, which still isn't bad, obviously, compared to Windows or something. But very impressive. I like this a lot. Now I am really excited to try out the I think Elementary OS or Elementary Luna. One of those has been released. I'm not really sure. So I'm going to try that out as well. But I just wanted to put up a video, and if you haven't seen this before, Linux Lite, you may want to give it a try. Okay, so this is by no means a review. It's just an overview of what I've been working with the last day or so. Okay, so that's all. And yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.